Question is, what if you woke up one day and realized your boyfriend didn't have a ding dong?
I'd be surprised.
Ew, fuck. If you woke up one day and realized your boyfriend didn't have a ding dong.
Oh God.
This week we asked, what if you get to know that your girlfriend or your boyfriend had a ding dong or didn't have a ding dong? To know the hilarious reactions, sit back and watch this presentation.
Like suddenly you wake up and you're like, oh, same thing, man.
And realized your girlfriend had a ding dong.
It's a very awkward question and
Okay, we are the same.
okay, what am I supposed to do about that?
आई थिंक बेसन ऐसा प्लीज ऐसा ना हो मुझे नहीं पता मैं कैसे रिएक्ट करूँगा
I'll ask her, how did this happen, you know? Otherwise, you know, it's not much of an issue that she has a ding dong. Like, I don't have a problem with people having ding dongs.
For me, it is funny. My boyfriend doesn't have a ding dong. I don't know. I guess sex is off the table.
I'll leave her.
Oh!
I'll break up with him. I leave him. Obviously.
But he's a boyfriend.
No, I don't care.
But what if your relationship has a very strong bonding?
Come on, be practical. I can't.
I'll stop picking up his calls, stop talking, what else?
That's all, you'll not approach him or, you know,
No,
nothing. Why will it be
I
awkward?
don't talk much.
I'll slap her and run away.
If I really like the guy, I'd find an alternative. But yeah, I don't think I'll be sexually satisfied in that relationship.
So, what will you say to him?
Let's look for a solution, and if we can't, then maybe we should end it. Maybe.
I laugh. If I am serious about him, then I will not leave him just because of that. If I am serious about him. If I am not, then I don't know what will happen. If I am not serious about him, then maybe I'll think about leaving him. But if I am serious about him, I'll surely stay with him and, you know, be a part of that journey, whatever, with him.
I would appreciate. अब वो बात की बात है कि आगे क्या होगा, लेकिन अगर होगा तो कोई बात नहीं. I will suck it. No.
What about your future?
अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे बच्चा, कोई बात नहीं है. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
That would be an awesome man. That would be an awesome man.
That would be very funny, actually.
यार काट के वो वापस करवा देंगे.
नहीं पीनेस नहीं चाहिए ब्रो एक मेरे पास है ठीक है
If she has a ding dong, and how will I approach her? I won't go like fuck you. No, I'm not coming close to you.
I'll be shocked because see, it's not just about not having a ding dong. It's about not letting me know that he doesn't have a ding dong. So that's kind of betrayal, right? How will I comfort him? First, पहले मुझे comfort करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को.
I would enjoy it.
I'll be like ठीक है लेट्स टॉक देन आई थिंक क्योंकि मैं स्ट्रेट हूँ मेरे पास बाइसेक्सुअल टेंडेंसीज नहीं अभी तक हूँ मेरे पास बाइसेक्सुअल टेंडेंसीज नहीं अभी तक
मेरी पूरी बॉयज वाली फीलिंग्स हैं सो
Actually, you know what? I don't have any boyfriend, so I'm not experienced at all. I love him for what he is and not for what he has. Or not what his size is.
If you want to stay updated with all our episodes, press the subscribe button right here. Also, you can comment below the video if you want us to ask any questions. Now do the regular like and share. Until next time, goodbye.
There are 30 cows in the field. 28 chicken. How many didn't?
How many did what now?
No, but I didn't do it in public.
Can you press that button? Please. Can you press that button? Okay, that. Maybe.